Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's review, we're diving deep into looking for the ultimate protection on the road. Today, we're counting down the top 5. 3-channel dash cams, front, rear, and inside, all in one. Whether you're a rideshare driver or just want full coverage, these picks have you covered. Let's dive in. Number 5. The Azdome M550 3-channel dash cam is a feature-packed powerhouse for car security and driving peace of mind. With crisp 4K front, 2.5K interior, and 1440p rear coverage, this dash cam captures every angle in stunning detail. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make footage easy to manage and track, while the 3.19-inch IPS screen provides clear, real-time viewing. The IR night vision and WDR ensure excellent low-light performance, and parking mode adds protection when you're away. A 64 gigabytes card is included to get you started right out of the box. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, the M550 is a smart, reliable choice for full vehicle surveillance. Number 4. In this detailed review of the Redtiger 4K 3-channel dash cam, I dive into its standout features and real-world performance. The triple camera setup captures stunning 2160p front footage and sharp 1080p rear and interior views, providing comprehensive coverage. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes file transfer seamless, while GPS tracking adds valuable location data to your recordings. The included 64 gigabytes card ensures ample storage right out of the box. The 3-inch screen is user-friendly, and IR night vision delivers clear images even in low light. Advanced features like the G sensor protect files during impacts. WDR enhances image clarity in varying lighting, and parking mode offers peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. Overall, this dash cam is a robust, feature-packed choice for drivers prioritizing safety and quality. Number 3. Your detailed review of the Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3-channel dash cam is incredibly thorough and insightful. You effectively highlight the key features like the STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, which delivers outstanding clarity and color accuracy, especially in low light thanks to HDR night vision. The triple-channel setup capturing front, inside, and rear views at 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution provides comprehensive coverage, enhancing driver security. I appreciated the explanation of the voice control and Wi-Fi capabilities, making it convenient to operate and transfer footage. The video quality samples and real-world testing you included really helped demonstrate the dash cam's performance. Overall, this review is perfect for anyone considering a high-end dash cam with excellent video quality, smart features, and reliable night vision. Great job breaking down specs into practical benefits. Number 2. If you're looking for a comprehensive dash cam setup that covers all angles of your vehicle, the Miden X5 4K Wi-Fi dash cam is a solid contender. In this video, I dive deep into the features and real-world performance of this impressive 3-channel dash camera system. The Miden X5 stands out immediately with its triple camera configuration, a stunning 4K front camera, a 1080p rear camera, and an additional 1080p interior camera. This setup means you get crystal clear footage not just of the road ahead and behind, but also inside your car, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting extra security. The 360 degrees all-sides coverage is a huge safety plus, ensuring no blind spots when capturing incidents or accidents. One of the highlights is the inclusion of a free 64 gigabytes SD card, which provides ample storage for high-resolution videos without needing to invest in extra memory. The video quality is sharp and detailed, especially the 4K front camera, which picks up fine details like license plates and street signs even in low-light conditions. The dash cam's Wi-Fi connectivity allows for quick and easy file transfer straight to your phone, bypassing the hassle of removing the SD card. It's user-friendly, and the mobile app is intuitive for reviewing footage or adjusting settings on the go. Another essential feature covered in the video is the G-sensor technology. This sensor automatically detects collisions or sudden movements and locks the video files to prevent overwriting, which is crucial for preserving evidence in case of an accident. Installation is straightforward, with well-thought-out cables and mounts that keep the setup neat and discreet on your windshield. The video also touches on a user interface, which is smooth and responsive, making it easy to navigate through menus even while driving. In summary, the Miden X5 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam offers excellent value with its triple-channel design, high video resolution, convenient Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart safety features. If you want peace of mind on the road with thorough coverage from every angle, this Dashcam is definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Rove R3 Dashcam truly stands out as a comprehensive and well-rounded guide for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's safety and recording capabilities. The way you structure the content, from unboxing to detailed feature demonstrations, made it easy to follow and engaging throughout. Starting with the design and build quality, you did a great job highlighting the compact yet robust feel of the Rove R3. The sleek 3-inch IPS touchscreen immediately caught attention, and you effectively demonstrated how intuitive and responsive the interface is, which is a huge plus for users who want a dash cam that's both functional and user-friendly. Your explanation of the 3-channel setup was particularly valuable. You clearly describe how the front, rear, and cabin cameras each play a vital role in capturing comprehensive footage. The quality comparison of the 1440p front camera and the 1080p rear and cabin cameras was well presented, with clear examples that showed the crispness and detail of the recordings, even in different lighting conditions. The inclusion of IR night vision footage was a nice touch, demonstrating how the dash cam performs in low-light environments, which is critical for 24/7 protection. The segment where you showcased the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and GPS features helped underline the modern tech integration in the Rove R3. Your walk through the app connectivity was very insightful, explaining how easy it is to download footage directly to a smartphone without hassle. This real-time convenience added a lot of value for users who want quick access to their recordings. Additionally, showing how GPS tagging works gave viewers confidence that the dash cam can provide crucial data like speed and location, which is beneficial for accident evidence or travel logging. Your discussion of the installation process was straightforward and encouraging for viewers who might be intimidated by setting up multiple cameras. The step-by-step guide and tips on cable management made the setup look manageable, even for beginners. One of the strongest points of your video was the honest take on the user experience and practical use cases. You share how the dash cam performed during actual drives, capturing different scenarios, from highway cruising to city traffic. The smoothness of the footage and the camera's wide field of view gave a real sense of security, while the cabin camera feature added a layer of privacy and monitoring for rideshare drivers or families. Additionally, your explanation of the motion detection and parking mode features added depth, helping viewers understand how the dash cam can continue protecting the car even when parked. This is a feature that many potential buyers might overlook, but is critical for preventing hit-and runs or vandalism. In conclusion, your video on a Rove R3 Dashcam is an excellent resource that balances detailed information with real-world usability. It answers common questions, shows the product in action, and gives a fair assessment of its strengths, making a trustworthy guide for anyone considering this model. Whether viewers want enhanced driving security, advanced recording capabilities, or seamless tech integration, your video effectively showcases why the Rove R3 is a standout choice.